All right, folks, we're doing the unboxing here of a Drive Titan AXS power chair. So when you get your power chair, it'll be on a pallet like this. It'll be 2 boxes. Sometimes the seat box could be on top of this box, but it's 2 boxes. So all you really need is to cut the plastic off like this. And now you've got 2 boxes. And then you got your straps here, so I'm just going to cut the straps. So this is the seat right here. So I'm going to move the seat off the pallet for now. So now we've got the base right here. So we'll open the box. So this is the first time for me to unbox this, so bear with me. So we got the box. So when you open the box like this, you can see the owner's manual is right here on top already. So take your owner's manual out, put it over here. You have a cardboard here. I'm assuming it'll just pop off. Okay, it just comes out of the box. As you can see in the box, we have some more stuffing. Right here would be your charger in front. These would be probably your joystick in this box right here, so we're going to put those right there. And I'm going to look inside the box right here. There's a plastic over the chair. I'm going to pull the plastic off. Ooh, there it is. That was easy. Pull it off the wheel, off the back corner. There we go. So now how do we get the chair out of here? All right. So usually what I usually do, take these 4 corner brackets, these 4 corner reinforcement out. 2, 3, and 4. So now, instead of trying to lift the chair out of here, which will be the hard way, what I like to do is just cut the box right here in the front. Okay? Look at that. All right, there's your chair right there. If you only cut the front, you can still reuse the box if you had to. So now we've got the chair, and as you can see, it's not going anywhere. So there's 2 levers right here, here and here. So if you turn these levers inward, what that does, it puts the chair in neutral. But if you look under the chair right here, there's 2 cardboards, okay? So you really have to pull it off that cardboard, roll it out. So it's sitting on top of this cardboard. That's why it can't just slide out. So you have to kind of lift it. It would have been easier for you to just lift it from the back up out of the box. So now we've got the chair out right here. We're just going to leave the box alone. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to take this little tag off. Here's your cable for your joystick coming out of the bottom of the chair. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check the batteries, make sure they're connected. So I'm going to take these 2 screws off of here, 1 on each side. I'm going to put the chair back in gear because we can't get the cover off if the levers for the neutral are facing sideways. So we're going to take this off. We're going to pull this straight out, and we're going to look over here, make sure the batteries are connected. And you can see that they're not. So it's a good thing we did. If you look right here, they're not connected. So there's only one connection. So you connect this one here. This one here is probably connected. Yeah, the red one is connected. Okay? So we've got you connected. So now you do have to connect the front battery. We're going to put this back on. And we're going to put the 2 screws back in here. All right, so I've got my 2 screws back in. The fender, the whole plastic cover with the battery is tight. Make sure your cable is still coming out from the bottom here. If not, you're going to have to pull the cover off and fish your cable out through here. So you want that cable out, and you want it over here. Put it over here so you don't step on it and damage the end connection. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to open your seat right here. So I'm going to open the box with the seat and see what we have in here. So when you open that box, you'll have a headrest. You'll have two arms, and you'll have the seat. When you pull the seat out, pull this little rubber tab off the bottom of the seat, because this is just for shipping. So when you get it, pull that rubber cap right off. You don't need that. And then you'll grab your seat right out of the box. So I'm going to grab the seat right out of the box. I'm going to take the plastic off the seat. Okay, and now you're going to put the male piece right into this hole right here. Now you notice how the seat dropped and it's still turning. Okay, with this seat, you got to raise it up a little bit, hold the lever right here. See that lever right there? Hold it up, and then put your seat down. And then once it's down, let the lever go, and now you're locked in place. Now, this is a captain's seat. It has a lever on this side, right here where my hand is. See it right here? There's your lever. We're going to pull this off. So now we've got the seat on. Okay, nice contoured seat. We're going to put the headrest on. It just drops on. The Yep, it's in my pocket. Figures. So we're going to take these armrests right here. You have two of them. This will be the side for the right side. And right here on the back of the chair, right under here, you have a pipe. You slide it into the pipe like this. And here's your safety belt. We're going to put the safety belt in the back pocket for now. There's a knob right over here. If you unscrew the knob, you'll be able to push that armrest all the way in. There we go. And then when you have the arm where you want it, you can tighten the knob. There's a knob right here. Tighten it, it takes all the play out of the arm. So you'll do the same thing with the left side. You'll take your left arm. You will go right here. You'll go right in that hole right there. But before you do that, go ahead and unscrew the knob, because there's a bolt in there. Unscrew the knob so the arm will slide it, because right now you can see you got to unscrew until the knob. There we go. When it slides in, you're ready to go. And then you tighten it up. Now you notice how the arms are real close to the seat. There's another knob right here. If you unscrew that knob, you can raise the arms up to the desired height that you want them. Okay, so I'm going to raise this one also here a little bit. Okay, tighten up the knobs. You see how they flip? If you're going to put the joystick on the right side, you got to use the one with the little tubing here, okay? If you're not going to put it on this side, you want to put the joystick on the left side. You notice there's no tubing here. You have to take this arm right here, this pad arm from this cylinder here, take it all out completely and slide it in here and put that arm on that side. So now let's see what else we have. We have in here probably the joystick. And we do. So here's your joystick. So we're gonna unwrap this joystick here real quick. So there's your joystick. The joystick goes, of course you can see the square tubing into the square tubing. You have the knob that came with it over here. So you will put this knob right here. and you'll tighten it up to the desired length that you want your joystick. Okay? And inside the box right here, you have blue covers. You can change this chair from red to blue. So you can take these right here and put the blue ones on. So you have both colors with your chair. I'm going to put this in the back pouch. So now you will take your joystick cable. You're going to bring it from behind the arm over here like this, behind this arm right here, and you're going to connect it on the inside of your joystick right here. Maybe we can do it this way, you can see it better. No, I can't see it. And I'm half blind, so I'm just, there we go. So it plugs in with the tab. You can see the tab sideways, it goes in this way. So it goes in this way, and you can hear the tab. When you pull it out, you have to push the tab in to release the cable. So push it in, and now we should have power. And we do. So you can see your batteries are full. Your speed gauge is here from slow to fast. And this has a really good horn, okay? So the only thing left in the box, earlier I showed you there was another box right here. This will be your charger. So I probably don't need to pull this out, but I can show you. This is your charger right here. And your charger with this chair will plug right under this red tape here. There's the plug for your charger right there. And it tells you right here on that piece of paper. So folks, this is the Drive Medical Titan AXS power chair. How to take it out of the box and get it all put together within 10 minutes. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.